Let's start by showing you the hair material I'm using today. I'll speed up the process of applying hot glue. Before the hot glue dries, stick it onto the wire. This step is mainly to wrap the hair strands around the wire, so the wire won't be visible when we attach the hair pieces later. I am just wrapping the wire in circles, squeezing a bit of hot glue every now and then to keep wrapping. Make sure every part is covered with hot glue, otherwise it will come loose easily. Again, let me show you the hair material. Now we can start attaching the hair pieces. Spread the glue evenly. Once you confirm the position, secure it directly with hot glue. It is freezing cold in Henan lately. It has been snowing. Holding the hot glue with my hands actually feels really warm. Summer, I miss you so much. Compare the length and keep trimming. The tail part should be thinner. Don't cut it too short. Finding the right angle. Keep trimming, but still don't cut it too short. Leave a length along the wire. Oops, my nail just broke. Let's change the angle and keep attaching. After attaching a small section, use some hairspray. Blow it dry quickly. Keep attaching. Then shape it into an angle that looks nice. Spray more hairspray. Blow while wrapping the hair inward with your fingers. This makes the shape sharper. Compare the shape again and trim a little. Once the shape is set, I still have to say, this hot glue is surprisingly warm. Some hair strands came loose here. That's what happens when I don't jiggle them well enough. Still adjusting the shape. Spraying hairspray. Blow the front first, then the back. I want to make it even. Spray, blow and shape with my fingers. Keep adjusting every now and then. Should it be curved or another shape? Curved looks better. Use the hairdryer to slowly shape the curve. Keep spraying and adjusting at the same time. Fingers work really well as a tool to shape the hair. The main thing is not to cut too short at the beginning, so you have enough room for trimming later. Shape the sections however looks best to you. Now the shape is almost done. Now let's start attaching the front section. This piece must be either higher or lower than the previous one. Compare the length. Trim and clean up the messy strands. Then attach with hot glue. The first layer doesn't need too much texture. It is mainly for the base. We'll put the strands for texture in the second layer. If you want it thinner, wrap the wire with hair first, so the wire won't show. Use your hand to push the strands inward and adjust. Then keep attaching, keep adjusting. I think it is a little too full, so I'll tuck it inward. Watch my hand movement. When I pull upward, the hair strands come out. Once you confirm the shape, hold it in place. Then spray hairspray with one hand. I am still looking for the best shape, but just follow my technique. Also consider what shape fits the overall wig style. Keep holding it and shape it the way you like. Use a tail comb to tuck in extra strands. Cut the messy hair. Then use the hairdryer to adjust. The small strands are attached like this. Confirm the angle again. First make the base layer. You don't need to care about the texture yet. Attach it along the curve of the wire. Leave some extra length at the end. Better long than short. Trim along the bottom part. I'll speed this part up. Just spray hairspray along the wire. If you don't want to watch this part, you can skip to around 7:30 分. Now let's attach the front layer. Place it a little higher than the one below. This section basically doesn't need trimming. Keep attaching. You can use your fingernail to pull out some strands for texture. As long as the wire isn't visible, keep using your fingers to create the texture. Just watch how I do it. Remember, you can only pull strands from the base layer if the wire is completely hidden. Trim a little. This layer can be attached smoothly. We'll add another layer of hair after finishing the base. Compare where it looks best. Then secure it. Since we're adding another layer, just trim a little. Compare it with the lower part. Now look at the upper section. Find the right position. I made a relatively small curve. Adding another layer on top will make the curve bigger. Attach it a little higher, not too thick. Adjust the curve until you like it. Keep adjusting until you are satisfied.